Greetings! It has been a while since my last video. The reason for that is simply I was in the process of quitting my old job and starting a new one, so I've been putting all of my brain power and effort into that, so the YouTube stuff had to take a bit of a back seat. But never fear, I am still here and I do have videos coming up for you in the new year. And a quick thank you to everyone who reached out and asked if I was okay. Really nice of you, thank you so much. So yes, you could say that it's been an interesting end to 2021. It hasn't exactly been the year that a lot of people thought, because of, you know, the COVID situation. It kind of got better and then it's maybe not quite so good, and then, well, you know, it's all kind of up in the air. But yes, there are interesting things that I have planned for 2022, and I am going to hopefully get to push on with them despite the whole COVID situation. So yes, that encompasses various different things, and that includes getting the RS out on track. It's something that I've kind of been building towards gradually for a long time, and it is my plan in 2022 to go for it and hopefully get on multiple different tracks, and if I can, get over to England, get on track over there as well. I do have modifications in the pipeline, both for the RS and for the Mini, so I hope you're looking forward to those. I have some of them here already, and I've got some on the way as well. And another big aspect is detailing. There are some detailing things that I wanted to do in 2021 that I didn't quite get done, so they of course have been pushed out to 2022, so that is going to be interesting. And there are some really awesome new products as well that I'm going to get to very shortly here. But in 2021 I did get some reasonable bits of detailing covered. The winter prep on the RS, for example, was really good. All those turtle wax products, so I mean, it's still holding up. That was about a month and a half ago, and I haven't like cleaned the RS at all since. As you can see, it's not looking too bad. I mean, obviously there's some dirt on there, but you know, still good and hydrophobic, which means that that dirt isn't sticking so easily. So yeah, the winter prep doing its job perfectly, so that is awesome as we get further and further into the winter. So as far as mods and things go, I've got some stuff in boxes here. You may be able to guess what that could be from that little logo right there. Other things are also in their boxes, you know, such as this Forge Motorsport box. But yeah, all of that will be revealed in the new year. But for today, what I'm going to show you as a little bit of a new year preview is what is inside this box. So you can quite clearly see the Turtle Wax logo here, and you can also see that I haven't opened this yet, because I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing, I suppose, a little bit of a reveal video for you, just to close out 2021 and get you hopefully excited for the videos coming in 2022. So mentioning the tape there, you can see that it says on here, "You asked, Turtle Wax answered." So that is the theme of the Turtle Wax range for 2022. Every year, Turtle Wax spend a lot of time and effort on researching and developing new products, and in 2021 they reached out to the community. Instead of just sort of trying to work it out for themselves, they reached out to the community and they found out what people really wanted, what people felt like they didn't have in their detailing arsenal, and they took all of these suggestions and went and did all of their R&D and came up with a bunch of products that are inside this box. So what we have then is the brand new 2022 range that is the result of that feedback process, research and development based on that feedback process, and that means that everything in here is very exciting and very relevant. So without further ado, let me get a knife and I will get into this box. So we have this cool little card that shows all of the new products, and I've got a couple of bits of swag. So Turtle Wax sticker, cool, one of the new Turtle Wax hats, very sleek, very nice. Lots of packing peanuts. Okay. So first product then is the Hybrid Solutions Hyper Foam Wheel Cleaner and Tire Prep. Powerful deep cleaning foam dissolves brake dust and road contaminants easily. So there you go. Really cool red bottle. Gonna look really cool with all the other bottles on the shelf. So we see here It clings, penetrates and dissolves the toughest soils. Fast-acting formula, quickly dissolves heavy dirt and grime. Powerful foam, prepares tires for coatings. Corrosion-repellent polymer makes future cleaning easier. So we're going to get a really good clean, and we're going to get some protection from this one really cool foaming product. You can see the picture there. It's going to be like a sort of bright pinky red color, so that is sweet. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, next up we have Hybrid Solutions Ceramic and Graphene Inside Job. The ultimate all-in-one interior care for leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber and more. Clean, protect and condition. The ultimate all-in-one cleaner and conditioner with superior UV protection. So, incredible cleaning powered by natural enzymes, durable protection from ceramic and graphene infusion, pH balanced blend of aloe vera and neat's foot oil. That suggests that it's going to smell real nice, and it's really cool as well, combining ceramic and graphene, which are the two best things for protection. And the fact that this is an all-in-one care product that cleans, protects and conditions is really awesome. And the fact that it does all different types of material, whether it be a natural material like leather, all the way to plastic, rubber and more, as it says, is really handy, because so many things that are for the inside of your car, they are very specific in terms of you know, they can only do like leather, or they can only do plastic, and you can't really mix and match. So Turtle Wax have done the work and come up with an all-in-one, one-stop shop solution for that, so that's awesome. Next up we have Hybrid Solutions Pro Rapid Decon Technology All-Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover. So this fast-acting, acid-free, color-changing formula safely eliminates contaminants, brake dust and iron particles on wheel and paint surfaces. Scent Lock Neutralizer blocks unpleasant odor. That sounds absolutely awesome, because if you've ever used any kind of iron fallout remover before, you're probably quite aware of just how disgusting they smell. So the fact that they've gotten rid of that while still being able to do the same job is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to try this one out. Okay, next up we have Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Tire Shine Spray Coating. Deep, dark gloss infused with incredible durability, repellency and UV protection. Synthetic shine polymers, graphene and acrylic polymers. Flip it around. Adjustable deep dark shine that cures quickly to prevent sling. Amazing shine, gloss and depth of color. Sling free and prevents tires from browning. Durable protection that repels water and contaminants with graphene and acrylic chemistry. This sounds just like the ultimate in tire shine coating. So the sort of old school solution for these have the issue that's mentioned here, the sling. So they're like almost like a sort of oily substance, and so you put it on and, you know, it makes your tires look all nice, but then you're driving along and it just throws these little spots of like blackness all over your paintwork and everything, and it's just not very nice at all, which I absolutely cannot stand. So sling free specifically, that is great. And yeah, with graphene and acrylic, obviously we've used the graphene product for our winter prep on the RS this year, and then previous acrylic products we used that on the roof of the Mini earlier in the year as well. Both awesome. So having a product that is incorporating graphene and acrylic technology, awesome. Can't wait to use that one in conjunction with the new wheel cleaner. Alright, back in we go. Okay. Different shaped on this time. So what do we have? Hybrid Solutions Streak Free Mist Glass Cleaner Inside and Out. Cut, clean and shine. A fine misting sprayer spreads product evenly on all glass surfaces for fast, streak-free cleaning. Quick cutting formula removes oily dirt, dust, fingerprints, smudges, bug splatter, bird droppings, smoke haze, plasticizer film and more with a clean, fresh scent. So this is a very interesting one for me. I am a very heavy user of glass cleaner, so I really can't stand having like dirty glass. Even after like, you know, just a regular maintenance wash of the car, you can get, you know, some little like streaks and water spots and what have you. So I like to use a glass cleaner afterwards as well quite often, and of course on the inside as well. But there are so many out on the market that, you know, they leave a streak if you don't like sit and buff rough and buff, which is also quite annoying, but you know, you eventually get there. So even in the past I have resorted to using, you know, just like isopropyl alcohol IPA, because that does a good clean without leaving any kind of streakage, but it's quite harsh, and it does have a very like strong alcohol smell, obviously. So this is an interesting product for me, and because it specifically says it's going to be streak free and quick cutting, much like pure alcohol does, but then it has this clean fresh scent. So yeah, it's going to be really interesting to use this one. I think I'm going to very much enjoy it. Okay, what do I have next? So here we have a big one. So, Hybrid Solutions Pro Slick and Slide Polymers Pure Wash Ultimate Cleaning Experience. Our slickest swirl-resistant pH neutral wash with an amazing scent delivers thick, clinging foam that's easy to rinse and thoroughly cleans without stripping protection. You can use it in a foam sprayer, you can use it as a hand wash, and you can also use it with a synthetic clay mitt. So that's really, really cool. The previous shampoo that we had from the Hybrid Solutions, the original Hybrid Solutions range, was a ceramic infused shampoo, which I actually really like because of that added ceramic protection that you get from it, and it smells amazing, as you come to expect from turtle wax. But there is one thing that I think some people who maybe aren't quite familiar with it were confused about with it, and that is the fact that it doesn't really like lather up a lot, which is probably something to do with the ceramicness of it, but you know, it does actually clean very well, and of course you get the ceramic protection, so it's that really cool like 2-in-1 type of thing, and I really like that, and I obviously understand the product and I use it a lot. But because people maybe don't always want to be adding protection, I guess they maybe just want more of a maintenance wash that's concentrating just on the cleaning aspect, and they want one that is, you know, very, you know, foamy and lathery. Here comes the Hybrid Solutions Pro Slick and Slide to answer all of those requests. So that is very cool. I can't wait for that one also. So then this, I think, is the last item in here. Yep, looks like it. It's a smaller one. So this is the ceramic and graphene paste wax, unique blend of 10 waxes infused with SiO2 and graphene for intense gloss, slickness, durability, and UV protection. You may remember from the 2021 Hybrid Solutions range, Turtle Wax were celebrating their 75th anniversary. They have been around for a long time. They have really been innovating for a very long time, and as part of that they came up with this product. They were really like developing all of their ceramic and graphene products. They're also like then giving a nod to their roots. So one of their most successful types of products have been paste waxes in the past, so they did a limited edition sort of like combination, a hybrid of the two, and like I say, very, very limited edition. So if you were able to get your hands on one, then awesome, and once they were gone, they were gone. However, there was a big calling for them to bring it back. It was very, very popular. People absolutely loved it. So they brought it back without like the, you know, the limited edition like packaging, as a mainstay of the ceramic and graphene Hybrid Solutions line. I believe I actually have my 75th anniversary one here somewhere. Let me just, yep, here it is. So this is the cool 75 anniversary. You can see the signatures there of Sandra and Dennis Healy, and yeah, I mean, it's exactly the same, but obviously now this is the production version. And interestingly enough, I mentioned at the start that there was a bunch of things I didn't quite get done in 2021, and that was actually to, you know, test this out and use this. So now that I have the production model, I can just sort of preserve this one, because of course it is the limited edition packaging. And yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to it, because I come from an era of detailing where using a tub of wax like this was the normal thing to do. It was the done thing, you know, before the whole ceramic and graphene and all the fancy things that we have today. So the fact that this has the modern like technology baked into it, but it's going to be applied in a traditional way, it's just something that's really cool for me. Sort of harks back to my old detailing days way back years ago. So yeah, that is absolutely awesome, and that completes our overview of the new 2022 range of Turtle Wax
products.
There we are then, that is the 2022 You Asked and Turtle Wax Answered range of new products in the Hybrid Solutions and Hybrid Solutions Pro ranges. So that is a really awesome set of products. There are products that will stack well together, products that will of course be very useful on their own, and I can't wait to bring you some videos showing them all in action. So a big thank you to Turtle Wax for sending me all this stuff out. Turtle Wax have been supporting me for a good few years now. They're really good to me, and they're really nice people, even though they are literally the biggest detailing company in the world. They're still able to make me feel like part of the family, so that is great. Thank you so much, Turtle Wax. That is pretty much this little video update, showing you some of the things that I'm going to be doing in 2022, the stuff that's still in boxes, the new Turtle Wax range. Here's a little preview, some things from hell. Alright. So yes, on the subject of being treated well, I have another sponsor, White Line, who I am an ambassador for, and this year I got some awesome White Line stuff on the car. If you've seen the videos, I'll put some links down below to everything that I've been talking about today. So in 2021, White Line celebrated their 30th anniversary, so they have been improving handling for a long time, and they sent me out this swag, which is really cool. So thank you so much to White Line for being really cool and supporting me this year and making great products, and of course providing discount for you. If you want to get some stuff, you can use the little discount code that's down below. And yes, that is pretty much it for this video. That is pretty much it for 2021. I look forward to getting back on the horse and doing a bunch of videos in 2022, and I hope you are along for the ride, and I'm very thankful to you for being along for the ride. And if you're a subscriber, or even if you've just randomly watched some of my videos, I thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. And yes, I hope you had a good 2021. I hope you have a great 2022. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.